In this video, we're going to break down the concept of direct definitions and context clues and understand how, even when we've never seen a word before, using clues in the sentence, we can understand its definition. Direct definition is a practical tool for deciphering word meanings. It comes down to two basics: definitions and synonyms. Synonyms are two words that more or less have the same meaning, and they are essential to understanding direct definition. Let's take a look at some concrete examples. The artist's eclectic or diverse collection showcased a wide range of artistic styles. Does the word eclectic mean limited, uninspired, varied, or traditional? Looking at our sentence for clues, we can see that after the word eclectic, the sentence provides us with a synonym, or diverse. Based on this, we can understand that eclectic and diverse share a definition, and eclectic must mean wide-ranging or broad, just like the word diverse does. Therefore, we can head down to our choices and see that C, varied, best matches our definition. We can also double-check our answer by plugging in the other options, limited, uninspired, and traditional, and see that with the context of the sentence, they don't work as definitions. Therefore, C, varied, can be marked as our final answer. Let's take a look at another example. The detective praised Oliver's acumen, his keen insight and quick understanding in solving the complex case. Does the word acumen mean incompetence, bravery, creativity, or cleverness? Looking at our sentence for clues, we can see that after the word acumen, there's a comma and a definition: his keen insight and quick understanding. Now we can take another look at our choices and see which one closest matches the definition of keen insight and quick understanding. Incompetence is almost the opposite of this and can be marked as incorrect. While bravery could be something the detective would praise Oliver for, it doesn't match the definition we're looking for and can be marked off as well. Creativity seems like it could fit, as someone who's creative might have keen insight and quick understanding. However, looking at all of our choices, we can see that D, cleverness, fits even better, as it matches almost exactly the definition provided by the sentence. Therefore, we can mark D, cleverness, as our final answer. Now that you've got the hang of it, try your hand at using clues of direct definition with the mock test questions below.